That's 4.
Yeah. Like air pressure.
Yeah.
We can get down to like 3 hertz with a little bit of wind.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
This time I ain't gonna run away, run away.
I was expecting speakers.
Yeah, I got kids that like trash stuff, so I put them on the ceiling.
Instead of speakers to keep the kids off of them.
Right.
Yeah. JacobViral, what's your name and what's in here, man?
Jay, Janelle. I got 2, I don't know what you'd call them. They're Resilient Sound 24s now. So it's a combination of Resilient Sound team motors on stereo integrity 24-inch baskets and cones. Running an 8K per side.
Wow.
So we got 16K on each one.
Do you have any pictures of the sub on your phone? Or anything of the box, anything about your system on your phone for pictures? This is pretty, because it's kind of hard to see the structure, the layout, bandwidth, or SPL score. I don't know if you had anything memory-wise that I could show. This is cool. So you have 2 amps per sub.
Yes.
Wow. Do you think the bigger the cone, the easier it is to play that lower frequency you were playing? There we go. At 57 at 20 on these 224s. Wow. What are these subs rated at RMS-wise?
I think they're only rated for 5K, but
yes, sir.
If they're just experimental, basically, I have no idea what they'll really take.
Yeah. I don't know. Sorry if I asked you something very random. It's a special thing I never get to see, so.
Let me hit pause.
Wow. What made you go with a 24 instead of like a 21 or a couple 18s?
Because I was running 18s for a couple seasons, and they were all right, but I want something a little more windy.
Yeah. The Cone Area King in 24. There you go.
Yeah.
Pretty much the biggest sub you can get unless you get a 32, and 32 is.
They won't fit back there.
No.
That's like all I could do to get those 2.
Yes, sir.
It's very tight.
Yes, sir. So you have 2 subs, 2 amps per 1 sub, so 2 subs, 2 24s.
Yep.
Wow. Nice.
Oreo just helped me get the parts together.
Oh, there you go. Wow. So the Coriolis had the codes for them.
No, I had the cones. He helped me get them to work together.
Oh, okay, got it.
There's special like spacers on the coils, and then a spacer for the actual sub to mount the basket to mount to the motor.
Yes, sir. Okay. Wow. Is this a 6-order?
Yep.
So that's a back port back there.
Yeah, it's tuned to like around 10. I'd say.
You're kidding me.
No.
10?
Yeah.
What's the port area ratio? Like 5%?
It's huge. It's that's like a 5x21 or something each.
Yes, sir.
And they're getting about 15 to 16 cubic feet per
Oh my
sub.
gosh. Wow. This is different. You like super
Totally
low.
subsonic,
Yeah, because when you
yeah,
hear
subsonic.
subsonic lows, that's like, yeah. It ain't even teen frequencies at that point.
No, these are, you get down to single. So I got infrasonic depths does all my rebasses for the most part. I like Redbeard also, but
Yes, sir.
he gets down into the single digits.
Okay.
So
Yeah. So, okay, if I put this down, or are you going to
Yeah,
do?
no, put it
Okay.
down, sure.
Yes, sir. Come here. Awesome.
do like 6 hertz.
6 hertz.
Yeah, I got 6 hertz.
Sharon got your reason. Like to get out of the rain of any lost like a bounty. Some will fall in love with life and it's pouring like an avalanche.
That's 4.
Yeah.
Do you hear it with your ear? It's weird.
It's just kind of like air pressure.
Yeah.
Coming down the mountain.
Wow.
Yeah.
My ears have never really felt that. I appreciate that, man.
No problem. I'm going for lower and lower and lower, so we can get down to like 3 hertz with a little bit of wind.
Yeah. Every
Yeah,
octave lower is harder to get to too, as you know with those.
Yeah, so I can get down to 4 pretty good, but after 4 it really drops.
Oh yeah.
Next year
Awesome.
maybe.
What was your name?
Jay Janelle.
Jay Janelle. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. What's your build name if you have one?
I never named it.
Never named it. Okay.
Never named it.
I like that you have all your speakers and tweeters here too. Pretty unique.
Yeah, it gets it up there so you can actually hear them over the bass.
Yes, sir. Nice. Well, you have a good day, man.
Thank you. You too.